Have you ever looked at your electricity bill and wondered why is it so high? The answer isn't just high rates or inflation, it's inefficiency. Invisible inefficiencies in your energy usage are draining your profits down and increasing your cost up. Whether you're running a factory or you're managing a building, every time a motor overheats, every time your power factor drops, every time your KVA demand spikes, you're losing money and you might not even realize it. Now, let's break that down. The power you use is made up of several components. There's actual energy you consume, that's in kilowatt hours, kWh. And then there's kVA, apparent power, that you have, which includes the power you're using and the wasted power. Now, then you have power factor. A lower power factor caused by inefficient equipment means more apparent power, more kVA, which leads to higher demand charges on your electricity bill. Now imagine a single electric motor running inefficiently draws more current than it should. This extra current just doesn't cost more, it generates heat which damages the motor over time, reducing its lifespan and increasing the maintenance cost. And it doesn't just stop there. A poor power factor causes your electric system to work harder, wasting electricity and heating up the cables and transformers. All these hidden losses add up to penalties from your electricity board provider and a higher risk of equipment failure. And we do not want equipment failure. How do you solve this problem? So you can solve this problem by energy monitoring. So you might ask, how does energy monitoring help? It starts by connecting energy meters to a centralized dashboard. These meters measure key parameters like voltage, current, kWh, kVA, power factor, harmonics, utilization, and losses. All of this in real time. Now, imagine this, you get an alert on your mobile phone the moment your electric motor draws extra current, or maybe your power factor drops below optimal levels. With this information, you can act immediately, switching off your inefficient machines, scheduling maintenance for them, or even optimizing load distribution. This can also help you save money and reduce your cost. Energy monitoring also identifies peak demand times. For example, if your KVA spikes during certain hours, you can reschedule the operations to avoid penalties. And when you optimize your power factor, you're not just saving money, but you're also improving the efficiency and reliability of the entire electrical system, along with getting cash back from electricity board provider. Isn't that fantastic? That your electricity board will pay you higher in return when your power factor is good. So now let's understand the basics of energy monitoring. So voltage. Voltage is a force that pushes electricity through your machines. And the current. Current is a flow of electricity together. They determine the power your system consumes, measured in kWh, kilowatt hours. But here's a catch. Not all power you pay for is used efficiently. Apparent power, measured in kVA, includes both useful power and the wasted power. A low power factor means a bigger portion of that power factor is being wasted, increasing your cost and heating up your equipment unnecessarily. By monitoring these parameters, you can spot inefficiencies in your system, like motors drawing excess current due to mechanical issues which happen over a period of time, or maybe your poor power factor is causing the KVA demand to go up. In return, you're paying for higher cost of power. Voltage fluctuations that can damage and critically destroy the sensitive equipment in your factory or building. Now, here's the power of energy monitoring. It turns all these hidden losses into visible insights. By acting on real time data, what you can do is you can reduce on energy wastage, prevent overheating of the equipment you have in your factory and the buildings. Third, optimize your power factor to avoid penalties and save on demand charges. So now, for factories, this means better productivity and lower operating cost. For buildings, it means knowing which appliances are costing you the most and make inspired decisions to save. So for factors, you can know which motor, which egg feeder, which equipment is consuming more power, is a cause of inefficiency, and then you can rectify this issue easily, because knowing is half the story. It's time to stop guessing and start knowing. Energy monitoring is not just a tool, it's a part to efficiency, savings, sustainability, whether you're running a factory or managing your building. Understanding voltage, current, KVA, power factor can save you thousands and lakhs each year. Start your journey today. Install an energy monitoring system and take the first step towards smarter, greener, and efficient future. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. I hope you like this video. Let me know your thoughts by commenting below. Thank you.